In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to part of a comment on Reddit. When you're browsing Reddit, you'll often come across long comments where you only want to respond to one specific part, not the entire thing. Maybe someone made several points and you want to address just one, or you want to quote a particular sentence to keep the conversation clear and focused. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do that in a simple, practical way. First, find the comment you want to respond to. This might be in a post you've made, a thread you're following, or something you've discovered while scrolling. Take a moment to read the whole comment so you understand the full context before replying. Even if you're only answering part of it, knowing the full message helps you respond more accurately and respectfully. Once you've found the comment, click on it. On desktop, this usually means clicking anywhere within the comment box or on the timestamp. On mobile, you can tap the comment to open or focus on it. This helps Reddit know exactly which comment in the thread you're interacting with, especially in long discussions where there might be many nested replies. Next, look for the reply option directly under that specific comment. You should see a button or link labeled reply. Go ahead and click or tap that. This opens up a text box that is linked to that exact comment, so your response will appear right underneath it in the thread. That way, everyone can see clearly which comment you're responding to. Now, to reply to just part of the comment, you have a couple of options. One simple method is to manually type or paste the specific sentence or phrase you're responding to at the top of your reply, then write your response underneath. If you like using Reddit's formatting, you can add a greater than symbol before the text you're quoting to make it stand out as a quote. Then press enter and type your reply on the next line. This keeps your response organized and makes it obvious which part of the original comment you're talking about. When you're done writing, read your reply once more to make sure it's clear, polite, and accurately reflects what you want to say. Finally, click the button to post your reply, and you're done. Your response will now appear right under that specific comment, clearly connected to the part of the conversation you wanted to address.